Hello, welcome to e-commerce adventures. So I'm gonna tell you, don't let these 5 things put you off from selling from Amazon. So let's go. Number 1, Amazon destroys small businesses. Yeah, they might do. You know, Amazon has a fantastic logistics. Amazon has the simplicity and they have the consistency. So they have a winning business model. So some small business owners, they're not willing to change. They're stuck to their own ways. Innovation is not an option for them. You know, they're not trying to make the transition to the online businesses with the same brand, with the same stores. If you're selling socks, soaps, you know, why don't you sell a few online? Why don't you sell a few on Amazon? Amazon has a fantastic customer base, so make the transition. Take advantage of Amazon. A small business, yeah, they need to ride the wave, you know. I understand, must be hard. I understand Amazon is completely, you know, out of the league. But number 2, so only Amazon makes money. You cannot. Oh, this is so untruth. So why? Okay, people tells you things like this. Oh, you cannot make money with this. Amazon business model is made so Amazon only makes money. You cannot make money. The marketing campaigns are too expensive. Their fees are too expensive. You cannot make money. Okay, incorrectly. So if you follow the right strategies, if you have the correct produce that you're gonna sell, you're gonna have enough margin to pay for these fees. Yeah, the idea is to have healthy margins that can afford to pay the Amazon fees, right? So how are you gonna achieve that? Good strategies, good market research, know how to optimize your campaigns. Yeah, so don't overpay for campaigns, don't overpay for your products, so you're gonna have good margins. All comes down to knowledge and the correct training. We carry on, and you're gonna hear that, and I heard people, oh, you get 2 bad reviews on Amazon and you're out, they block you. Okay, so yeah, negative reviews directly hurt your business and they will lower your visibility, so your ranking, you will go down. How you gonna combat that? So don't get bad reviews. Simple. Don't sell bad quality products. Don't sell things, don't overprice them, don't sell things that people don't gonna like. So do your market research and know what people likes. Yeah, simple, you know. Go and get a good supplier that's gonna sell you good quality, right? So what comes down to product research, and don't get bad reviews. Sell good stuff. Another one, and this one is so true, and anybody who sells now on Amazon can agree with me. Amazon support is frustrating. It's really frustrating. It's a nightmare. So you're raising a case because you have a problem, this happened, they reply to you with a completely different story. So you want to kill them. So yeah, it's so frustrating, and if you're not selling on Amazon, you're going to realize that. But like in any other business, there are always problems. Doesn't exist a business that doesn't have problems. So here we need to learn to deal with the problems. Yeah, we need to be patient, and especially don't throw the towel. Don't throw the towel with Amazon support. Yeah, keep at it. Don't throw the towel. Next, and really important, Amazon will copy your winning product. So many people tell you that, oh, you come out with a good story, with a good product, and they're gonna copy you. Yeah, they might do copy, but I'm gonna tell you the way to see this subject. The way to see this subject is Amazon is a big pie, and that pie worth billions. So the only thing you want is a little slice of the pie, and the little slice of the pie is gonna worth loads of money. Loads of money. Yeah, so you don't need to be necessarily, obviously if you can, you're gonna be number 1, but if you're not number 1, you're gonna be number 2, number 3, number 4 in your category, and you're gonna make loads of money. Yeah, so please don't listen to people tell you Amazon will copy your product and you're not gonna make money. No, if Amazon copies your product, maybe they're not gonna even be number 1, because sometimes Amazon they don't even do a good job in some categories. Yeah, so please see Amazon as a big pie, and the only thing you want is a little slice. That little slice worth thousands of thousands, 100,000, let's say. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.